This video is a quick introduction to the free buy-to-let profit calculator from PaTMa. The link to this calculator is in the description below. To get started, we only need to enter three quick figures, the first of which is the expected purchase price for the property, the amount we expect to spend repairing and making the property ready for rent, and the monthly rent that we expect to achieve from the property. All other figures have assumptions in place. So having entered those three, the system will provide us with instant ROI, yield, investment and profit per month figures. Scrolling down the page, you can see the detailed calculations behind this, including stamp duty, the expected mortgage, allowing for the maximum loan to value we've entered, and the rental cover required at the stress rate that's been specified. Should the default figures not be right for you, you can customize any of these as you wish. Scrolling further down the page, you can see the figures broken down as monthly profit, annual profit, ROI and yield percentages, and even a forecast 5-year capital gains. Right down at the bottom of the calculations is a table showing the Section 24 tax impact that you may experience over the current years. If you'd like to get a copy of these calculations sent to you in your email as a PDF that you can keep or send on to other people, simply enter your email address in the box provided and click on Send PDF. If you're further curious about how these calculations are done and the exact details of what the figures shown mean, scroll down even further and read all about the figures that you enter and receive back, including very specific calculation formulas that are used. Once again, the link to this free buy-to-let profit calculator is included in the description below this video.